Amuru, Luo Wang, Acholi Wang, for in catching up and subscribing, and for in more like video, like on subscribing, the job I don't subscribing, and for you have a video anyway. I think Jami, upon when Mammy Omyero Ian Machali and Acholi, Inge, woman on the only what Beru. Ilwain Pekar Malaj, Kino Beru, Luain Patches of Coin, my Chani, ICC Ting Mure, take a yellow. The yellow minano name, Mol Utimeye, Lo, Idue Mokaro, Anachwala Yamuni, lawyers no longer cop me Africa, go any. A poor beauty year, Joe Mamir Kuchumpi coin, name Muni, a yaki year. And we don't call a penny, we any John Mormir Chiane, Kerry Kimiro at the coin pulo case. The penny only don't, Lagame tang or chill don't gam kiwi. Now, in Mafutu chocolate, ICC being by Uganda, while Lira City, Wangeo epicenter me, Luanji, in my tech to toilet. Uberi Acholi, but Guchera City, and Gu Rataki, Dharma Duong, Magulo Mapol. Ye Kunum, it can jump among when Mamir now chair me the ICC International Criminal Court hopes to hold a hearing in Uganda next year regarding use of coin. Ni Longol Cop Migulo Madong. To give a dog Maglo ICC, Gemero. Ni ki winlo me biru ba coin ki Uganda kaye kama jamuti me ye yimna wari ko mo mi ngi ni jo men mi ICC ni mir giti ni gikel lok enini kakama balo ti me ko male mo runi where the crime all the crimes occurred for the first time in its territory. So, Piachak Gimironi, come Kamagino Time Yen, he come. Ene Kibin, he win Kogon Kie, where come. Kogomilo, come Rain Pacoin Ma, Joduimi Elare, Mawan Ganga Lunu Lumulum. Nahandere, Joe Magaluni, the pre-trial chamber theory of the ICC concluded that all conditions for holding a confirmation with charges hearing in Kony's absence are now met, though a specific date is not yet set. Joe ICC can do Pagamin out there Omyero Giendo by ni Adot Matikum Kony Kibi Moko Macoin Pe, Dobby Gama Wero Gian me round Mokone Macoin Piak Mao. Dongano Wengdong Tie conditions in me. Wengdong Tie Morateo, Gimoma Gale, a gang more can don't pay. Coluto Gilma food put in my ear, near do a put Pekachimo. My IC key official website e comment. The Wayani Nero Kibichimo, Angarechimo Nero, Sidong, Germany, we made the one him. Number one, Omyero in Beringe, the chamber handling this case is composed of judges Althea Violet Alexis Winsor, who is the presiding judge, Julia Antonella Matos, and Heikel Ben Mafuda. And I any long called Omyero ma Gilby Banana Lokin. Tilang on cover chair Maglunian, Althea Violet, Alexis Winsor, and Maya Babero, presiding judge. Kidong Julia Antonella Motok, Kidong Miyagiki Magluni, Heikel Ben Mufford. So, Enuel Lungon Cob Mumwell, Mobinanum, Locom. Wood luo, wood pajo, wood deck, lock me or locope, lock me win you a dot, not be very common. And in the process, me or locop. Now, my big congi Omyero, the judges determine that Kony is a person who cannot be found, as defined by Article 61 2B of the ICC Rome Statute. John to you, Kichek Mom, ki Rome. magluoni ICC Rome statute nyoni statute 11 chuli pe nyodwonga Jami 11 chuli pe ba yeda no so check in number ne article ti Pierre Bichel Chiel Ario bi ma check wani ngir declare ngar madong peround nge ni penonge an kon ikero dong penonge ngale mo wani cannot be found so ICC dong wai kon dong penonge dong ne do nga konyo so pu angyo ka chote dunya charo tibu kita no en waje keni kerema ngamo de konyo kan konyo mo ben so inama Bichel the confirmation of judges hearing aims to establish whether there is enough evidence to support substantial grounds for believing that Kony committed each of the crimes charged. So, Moko do maker come Kony, and ye be na kibinyo ki chadem kila nyut chadem a witness ki la nyut mano evidence. Mogono satellite audio recordings my obinano mano through video calls put to angeo put pay wachi do ngene no ba ante wa gok mogono gano so tij pa gine ni tij pa berping mi moka doti ene binano ka la nyut kidong chaden tie ma rwate ke dot mati kom koin wek kemeda nyim ti chero igam kane gina chien mamier wange ni trial poverty me enu na bilo la chien trial peti me ga komdane pe meno gina chien ma ICC bi ka takere bange ka chi gien bi yegu gimeo wakati mo ma komen pere ma ko in our beer con the ICC has requested the possibility of holding the hearing in locations in Uganda such as Lira, Gulu or Kampala, but no decision has been made. So request don't ICC don't gumo ginimyote me Uganda ikabe machali Lira unyo Gulu unyo Kampala enda pupia kimoko mo decision magan man me kan na ne awa gine po te me Uganda te me de ne kita me ngwen be gere pe na te chwa ngwen pe na te maro pa nyoni ade ngwen ke ber ka following the way ma Jami Africa kan kitime ke kon karo e por ki kid man Joe mukir gami judicial system gition ke de equina na mare o me gike man na boro if approved the judges may ask the ICC registry to conduct a feasibility assessment for security logistics and other considerations ni kakiye che lungon ko madadoni ni gumaro penyo jo ma go record by ICC nyoni ngol ko madon lo melu ngol ko madon lo melu na ICC we again ko tim gen makiloni feasibility assessment any feasibility assessment ngeno gimona kala ke pelare ko edu ye kala pelare ko ngi wa gi benero angol mingo mi security mono e bebero kilong logistic mono Jami chala go mutakagi kidong consideration mukana iya giki maina abungane if the confirmation of charges is successful cause trial will begin immediately well a major change endare ina abungane kante wa trial bi chakeo inya dor bi ero nyoni pidu bi ero malia kuna konpeli so ene jama bongwen ma atam ni umier nge angin ngen ana fo in meneng lokom kon pola kar ka wano chwal kan jo mukene gibedo ki wo nge dino lo ngona penguna peter ne ka chi wan ma ti level mala pengu bir na wachien michwalo chino beloda wan to subscribe minno information keyboard ICC donya ti macharo message email wa so penny ke ko no ne kan ya chine BBC la chen CNN la chen chidong nail pose kili del monte kili documentary de network ya do charo yele chen wutu lo Canada with the digital trend kwanchacho and in his information ain't nothing one bloggers per YouTube bloggers church and churches should be a minimum of 300 letters so bloggers the websites. Secondly, my YouTube killing vloggers but page or my YouTube when the vloggers mukene killing content creators behind no they have diversity of contents but they creating page me when the interview mukene the podcast you know so awajo man bene ngolo kop diet ilo bachuli wan pole pomena wadonyi ye pijo magero wa gi support wan on fo ma tek o beru tie on ngeni un po na un pol